Ever faced a conversation where direct answers vanished? In diplomacy, this isn't just annoying, it's a strategic challenge. Diplomats often evade, changing subject, vague generalities, or asking another question. Their goal: avoid commitment, gain time, or protect info. For diplomacy to progress, direct answers are crucial. They build clarity, foster trust, and enable action. Without them, negotiations stall. How do diplomats navigate this? With a diplomatic playbook based on core principles, observation, respect, and a balanced approach. Tactic 1. Repeat and rephrase. Calmly repeat your original question, perhaps rephrased. This shows you haven't received a satisfactory answer without being confrontational. Tactic 2. Demand specificity. If an answer is too general, ask for concrete examples, data, or timelines. Use phrases like, "Could you elaborate?" or "Can you provide a specific instance?" Tactic 3. The gentle direct question. Frame it neutrally, avoiding accusation. Phrases such as, "To be clear, are you stating?" can elicit a definitive response. Remember the power of silence and observation. After a direct question, allow silence. The other party may feel compelled to offer a fuller answer. Observe their nonverbal cues. Getting direct answers diplomatically isn't about aggression, it's about persistence, clarity, and respect. It's a fundamental skill for effective communication. If this diplomatic playbook was helpful, subscribe for more animated explainer videos on diplomacy and international relations.